well, we just had to walk past these, and I think they are young bulls, and I'm always a bit scared, but still. Hello everyone.
Morning.
Hope you can hear us. It's quite windy. Today, well, it started last Sunday, right?
Yeah.
We are Wednesday. Well, since Wednesday, we are allowed to stay outside for an unlimited amount of time.
Yeah.
In England.
Yeah, as long as you keep social distancing.
Yes. So we are still in Cheshire, basically just around the corner from where we live, and decided to go for a very nice walk. And well, we think we didn't want to drive somewhere for hours because we think it's not...
No, that's not appropriate.
No, it's not appropriate. No. So this walk is around... Is it a circular walk?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it's around Peckforton Castle, which is actually a Victorian country house and is a hotel now, and Beeston Castle, which is a castle ruin from, I think, originally from the 13th century. And
Yeah,
at the...
yes.
Yeah? Yes!
Is Beeston Castle.
Yeah, over there.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if you can see it. That's Beeston Castle. Behind me you can see the Shropshire Union Canal, and usually you see a lot of narrowboats which are always quite charming. Some people really live on those narrowboats, but you can travel on a narrowboat, and this is on our list to do because England has some beautiful canals, and you can just hire a narrowboat and, well, cruise along for a couple of days.
Yeah.
Would be nice, wouldn't it? So, but this person probably lives on the narrowboat.
It's on it.
Has his washing outside?
Yes.
Walk is quite flat because Cheshire is a county that is quite flat actually, but it's so nice to be out in nature. So Peckforton Castle, oh my goodness, there are many flies. Peckforton Castle is over there, and usually there are so many, well, I've seen on the website that Peckforton Castle is very popular for wedding receptions. I think there is a little chapel as well, and I will link it for you down below in the description box. If you want to visit Cheshire and maybe, well, want to stay in a castle. Or, well, it's actually a country house, but just looks like a castle from the outside. We bought this book, Cheshire Walks, I don't know, a couple of years ago.
Yeah.
Yeah, and there are some nice walks in there. Can really recommend it. So this walk is around 7 miles?
Yes, it's about 7 miles.
Yeah, it's not too bad, is it?
No, it's a nice walk.
Yeah, that's nice. I remember it from last year, and it was very nice. You know what I hope? Do you think that we stumbled upon one house or two that had some wisteria on it?
I can't remember.
Yeah. I'm not sure if they're still in bloom there. We'll see.
We'll see, yeah.
Like just a second ago, one thing happened that we mentioned in the last video. We passed some strangers and the woman said, "I like your dress." This is always so nice.
Yeah.
I think some people thought we meant Germans never give or take compliments. That's not what we mean.
No.
It's like...
Giving them to total strangers.
Yes, to total strangers. That's something that usually doesn't happen in Germany. So
this scene would never happen in Germany.
No.
Because people were too shy to say something.
Yeah, but we always think it's so nice. It's like, actually, you know, sometimes you have a bad day and a compliment like that can make your day.
Yeah.
It can.
These are the things we love in the UK.
Yeah, absolutely. Regarding hairdressers, did they say they would consider or contemplate opening them around July, maybe?
No, I'm not sure. Mid-June or end June.
Yeah, we just have to trim in between.
Yeah.
Joerg always says it's his lockdown look. Peckforton Castle on the right hand side and Beeston Castle on the left hand side.
Yeah.
It's a bit far away, I don't know. I just said to Joerg, well, we still have our German YouTube channel, we just don't put anything up there at the minute, but you know, I just said that Joerg wore the very same outfit in this video last year, so I don't know. What does that tell you? Nothing. What does it tell you, Joerg? That you don't have to buy stuff all of the time.
No.
You can just buy something that you can keep for years. Yeah. Same with this dress. Had it for, I don't know, 4 years. Still love it. How are you? You're right. Now. Just a little stop for tea, I think. We are a bit thirsty. So when we go on walks or hikes, we always take peppermint tea with us. We like that best. Ah, nice. We just came home and during our walk, Joerg was like, we don't have anything for tea. I said, well, we can make scones because they are so easy to make and it doesn't take long. And that's what we do now. And we will use the recipe by Mary Berry.
Yeah.
We adore Mary Berry.
Yeah, she's great, wonderful, and yeah, amazing.
In case you don't know her, she's, well, you said she's a
British icon to me.
Yes, she is. She's a chef, a food writer, and she's 85 years old. And I think she's, well, adored by everyone.
Yeah, she still cooks on TV.
Yes. So we're going to make them now, and I prepared everything. You don't need much. So so very often I use the BBC website for recipes. So it says we have to preheat the oven first. 200 degrees, Joerg.
Done.
Okay, I already put the flour, this is gluten-free flour, baking powder and sugar in this large bowl, and add the butter, and we'll have to work it until it looks like breadcrumbs. What did you think about the walk, Joerg?
Was nice.
It was really nice. It was the best weather, so very, very nice. So we can, I think, well, we can have one scone each. Not
one.
Two. One?
No.
You want two?
Yeah, minimum.
Okay, I mixed 2 eggs with a bit of milk, and we'll add that now. Not everything at once. We just saw that we got some cherries and we will use them for the dough. Yeah? See, this takes you about, I don't know, 2 minutes. And then the dough is ready. It's really quick. Okay, flour the worktop and then roll out the dough. What's that? What's that?
A mini scone.
A ball. And can you brush the tops with a bit of milk? Be quick. Okay, we'll have to bake that for about 15 minutes. Yeah. I didn't count, but we will have enough left for next week as well.
I'll take some into the office next week.
Yes, by the way, he took some of the cheesecake to the office as well. And I think I'll have to bake another one.
Yeah.
Because it was so good. It was honestly amazing.
Yeah.
Can you tell he's got a very sweet tooth?
I do.
Yes, we didn't plan on baking at all, to be honest. It was just because Joerg fancied something and I thought, okay, let's make scones. Also because we think most of the people do have the ingredients for scones.
Yeah, mostly.
Apart from, well, maybe clotted cream.
Yeah, but we've got a corner shop.
Yes, we are really lucky to have a corner shop. But
and it's got clotted cream.
Yes. I know sometimes I get messages from Germany. We don't have clotted cream in Germany. It's so special. It's amazing with the scones.
You can only get it in the UK.
Do you think you can get it in the States, maybe?
I don't know.
I would love to know if you can get it in the States. This is the clotted cream we always buy. Rodder's classic Cornish clotted cream. The best. Really good. 15 minutes are over and they look nice. One each. See? Quite many. There's an ongoing debate in this country whether you eat your scones with clotted cream first or clotted cream first and then jam, or the other way round, where we always prefer the Devon way, and the Cornish way is jam first and then clotted cream.
Ich mache.
Yeah. This is the first. You're doing it the Cornish way today.
I'm always doing it this.
Really?
Yes.
Why have I never noticed that?
See, you never pay attention.
Oh my god. No, honestly. No joke, I've never noticed that. Are you pulling my leg?
No.
I'm making it the other way round, and then we have the two ways in this household, which is great. This, by the way, is that strawberry jam. English cream tea. Enjoy.
Enjoy.
It's good. And so easy. It's really good. Well, we hope you liked this video and our little walk, not hike.
Yeah, what a walk.
Yeah, our walk and our very spontaneous
Baking session.
Yeah. And the next video will be another home video.
Yeah, I'm doing some DIY.
Yes, we started another project and we'll be sharing some things we haven't shared before as well, so stay tuned for that and stay safe.
Yeah, stay safe and take care of yourself.
Take care and we'll see you again very soon.
Yeah, see you soon.
Bye.